Hello everyone. So let's move to our next topic, that is direct marketing, which we'll be covering in two sessions, that is your session 24 and 25. Direct marketing has witnessed a rapid growth in the field of marketing. A variety of direct response media are used to convey the communication message. In this chapter, we will examine the role of direct marketing in the promotional mix. Direct marketing is considered as a method of communicating the message to customers and potential customers personally rather than having an indirect medium between the company and the consumer. When you check your emails, there can be mails from your family, friends, workplace, or a personalized mail from a company sharing an offer or a new product offering or an important message they want to share. This is what we say is an example of direct marketing. Direct marketing can be in different forms like telemarketing, mobile messages, email, in person, or any other forms where the marketer communicates directly to the potential customer. Direct marketing is aimed at retention by the potential customers and is considered to be a two-way communication process. These sessions will make you understand the direct marketing strategies, direct selling, and evaluation of the direct marketing programs. The session concludes with the discussion on advantages and disadvantages of direct marketing. So let's get started. Thank you.